Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of your movie theater. Okay, so the idea here is, imagine you have recently opened a movie theater in your town. Now you have advertised about your movie theater on Facebook. Okay, so whenever a new lead is generated through your advertisement, you have to send them the brochure of your movie theater. But the problem here is, whenever a new lead is generated, you have to first copy the information or collect the information of that new lead. You have to type a message for them individually, add the link of the brochure, and then finally you will send it to them on WhatsApp. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have advertised about your movie theater on Facebook. Now, whenever a new customer will enter your advertisement, automatically a form will pop up. They will fill up the form, and on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So for that, I have used two applications here. First, I have used WhatsApp. I have used this platform to advertise about my movie theater. And secondly, I have used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app, to send them the message and the link of the brochure. But here I have to face one more problem. The problem is, there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together, so that every time a new customer enters your advertisement, they will fill up the form, and on successful form submission, they will automatically receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the particular form which I have, which the customers will see, and this is how it will appear in front of the customers. Now I have filled up the form on behalf of the customer, and as soon as you will submit the form, a WhatsApp message will arrive here. So I have opened my WhatsApp web page for you. Okay, so let's go back to our form, and I'll submit the form. I'll click on next, and now I'll submit the form. Okay, and now I'll go to WhatsApp and wait for 2-3 seconds to appear to receive the message. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel, which says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z movie theater. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our movie theater. Link is given to you. For more details, you can visit our website www.a2ztheater.com. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, A to Z movie theater." So guys, you have seen how just by filling up the form, we have automatically received the WhatsApp message. And now you must be thinking how I have managed to do this integration. So let me show you the process on my screen, guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration, as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads with the help of webhook URL. So what we're gonna do first is, we will log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Why? Because we have run an advertisement in our Facebook account, and new leads will be generated from there, and they will fill up the form. So after successful form submission, they will get a WhatsApp message. So at first, it is important to integrate Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now step number 2 says collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. So in step number 2, what we want, I want the customer who have submitted the form, I want the information of that customer to get transferred into Pabbly Connect. Okay. Step number 3 says send the brochure to the customer on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So in the final step, we will be sending the customer the SMS message on WhatsApp with the link of the brochure. But here's the twist, guys. We are not integrating WhatsApp here, but here instead we are using 360 dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software, that is official API of WhatsApp, which is 360 dialog. Okay, now let's start with the process, guys. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember Pabbly, okay. As you can see on the screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is click on products and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Connect, so click on Connect. Okay, we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now for the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, guys, you have to click this and you can create your free account in just 2 minutes because I am already logged in, so I'll click on sign in. Okay, once again, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. As you know, today we are using Connect. So come on Connect and click on Access Now. Okay, this is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Now we have to create a new workflow. So for that, you have to come to the right corner where it is written create workflow. You have to click this and a mini box will emerge in front of you. Now you have to name your workflow. You have to give the name to your new workflow. So let's say I'll name my workflow as Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, let me correct the spelling, please. Okay, so I've given the name of my workflow as the name of the 2 applications which I am integrating today, Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, now I'll click on create. Okay guys, so we have entered the workflow. Here we will be performing the the steps of integration. You can see the title name Facebook to WhatsApp. Now let me tell you the workflow which we are creating today. I'll add the link of the same workflow in my description box. So you can go visit the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So guys, don't forget to go and click the link. And now let's read out what it is written here first. It is written trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Action, do this, choose your next application action. Now let me tell you what is trigger and what is action. Trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this case, the trigger event will be whenever the new lead is generated through your advertisement, a form will be popped up and they will submit the form. So trigger event will be submission of the form. And as soon as the form is submitted, what is the response we want? We want automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that customer with the link of the brochure. So you understood trigger event, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay. Now let's integrate our first application. For that, you have to click here, come to the search field and here you have to search for Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Okay, now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of us. If I'll click this arrow, I can see the particular trigger event. I want to choose this particular trigger event, new lead. So I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. Okay guys, a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for 2 options. First, add new connection and second is choose existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay. So as you can see on my screen, I've been successfully authorized in. Okay. Now, here we have 2 fields to fill up. First, it is asking for the page and second, it is asking for the lead generation form. So guys, let me click on this arrow and you can see in the scroll down the various pages. Now, these pages are the same pages which are there in my Facebook account. Let me take you to my Facebook account and show you the particular page. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Facebook. Now, if you come to the left corner here, among the options, you can see pages is written. Click here and you can see the various pages which I have created for different workflow here in my Facebook account. Okay. Now let me show you the particular page which I have created for my current workflow. Let me scroll down and search for the page. Okay. We'll find somewhere here. Okay, this is the particular page A to Z movie theater. Now let's enter the page. So guys, I want to map this particular page in my Pabbly Connect account. So how I'll map it, let me show it to you. Let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. Okay, come to the page column, click this arrow and you can see here the pages, the same pages which are there in the Facebook account. Now I'll search for the particular page A to Z movie theater. Let me search for the page. Okay, this is the page. I'll click this. And now automatically the form which is attached or integrated with this particular page will be filled up here. Okay, now I'll click on save. Okay. Now let me tell you one important thing, guys, because I haven't run any live advertisement on my Facebook account, so I cannot show you the form which will appear to my customer from my Facebook account. But instead, I'm using another website which is Facebook for Developers. Okay, that is a website which is used for example for testing examples. So I'm using that website to show you how the form will appear in front of the customers. So let me take you to that website first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is how exactly how the form will appear in front of our customers. Now I have filled up the details of my customer. Let's say the email ID of my customer is sam000@gmail.com. The name of my customer is Sam John, and you can see the mobile number which I have entered. Now I'll click on next and I'll click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now let's go to our Pabbly Connect account and we will see how we can capture the details of our customer there. Okay guys, come to your workflow. Now click on save and send test request and we will wait for the responses. We will see if the responses has been successfully captured. Yes, you can clearly see the responses has been successfully captured. You can see the email ID, the name and the number which we have entered. So guys, we have successfully integrated our first application with Pabbly Connect. Now we will move on to our next and final step, which is integration of 360 dialog to send the messages to our customer on WhatsApp. Guys, why we are not using WhatsApp directly here? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software, which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. So guys, come to your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for 360 dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of action event has emerged in front of me. I'll click this arrow and I can see the various action events in the drop down. I want to choose this particular action event, send template message. So I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. So a mini window will emerge in front of me asking for two options, add new connection and choose existing connection. I'll click on add new connection and now guys, it is asking me to fill two fields here. First is API key and second is domain. So first let's read out the description so that we can know how to find our API key and where we can find the API key. Here it is written, enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account, page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay. And in the domain it is written, enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key, example waba.360dialog.io. Okay. So guys, now let me take you to my account on 360 dialog first. As you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 dialog. Now if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog, so guys, for that I have created a different video and I have added the link of that video in my description box. Guys, I have added one more link in my description box. Now if you'll go through that link, you can avail the services of 360 dialog at very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links. Now let me show it to you from where you can find the API key. Come to the left corner here, you can see three options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp account. Okay. Now come to the right corner below, you can see a blue button is given to you which says generate API key. Guys, you have to click this button and your API key will be generated along with the domain. Now let me tell you, this process of generating API key is a one-time process guys. So you don't have to do again and again. You have to just click here once and you have to create or generate your API key only one time. Now the same API key and the domain can be used for different workflows. Okay. So as soon as you will click here, your API key will be generated. You will copy the API key and the domain, go back to your Pabbly Connect account and you will paste here accordingly. Here the API key and the domain. Now you will click on save and you will be automatically authorized in back to your workflow. Guys, as I have shown you, as I have told you, I have already generated my API key as it is a one-time process and I have copied it from before. So I'll come here and I'll copy both the fields, API key and the domain, and now I'll click on save. Because of some security reasons, I cannot show you this process. So we will directly meet in our workflow. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, we have been successfully authorized in. Now we have to enter the fields. We have to fill up the fields. The first field is asking us for the template. So let me show it to you what is template first. Let's go back to our account on 360 dialog. Now besides generate API key, it is written show details. Click here. You can see three options at my top, details, templates and profile. I'll click on templates. And now here you can see the various templates which I have created for different workflow. For this particular workflow, I have created a template. Let me show it to you. So this is the particular template which I have created for this workflow. Let me open it for you. So guys, you can read here, template is nothing but just the body of SMS which we will be sending to our customers. Let me read it out for you. Hello, thank you for showing your interest in. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our link. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards 6. Now you people must be thinking, what are these numbers in double boxes? So let me tell you, these numbers are nothing but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customer. For example, in place of number 1, the name of our customer will come. So if I'll write the name of my customer in body field 1, automatically the number will change to its value. Okay, you can see here the number has changed to its value, the name of our customer. So this is just for an example, I am showing it to you. Same goes with other variables, body field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, guys, now let me tell you how you can create your template. If you'll go up here, in the right corner, you can see a blue button is given to you which says add template. You will click this and a format of template will appear in front of you. Now you can name your template from here. You can select the particular language, in which language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will type the body of SMS here. Guys, after creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit, and you will send the template for approval. Now guys, it is very important to send the template for approval. The approval process is done by Facebook, and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. Generally, the approval process is done within 1 day, but without the approval process, you cannot use your template. So it is very important, guys, to first create your template and send it for approval. Okay, let me show it to you here. As you can see on my screen, all my templates are already approved so that I can use the templates in my workflow. Now let me map this particular template which I have shown to you in my Pabbly Connect account. So for that, I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. I'll come to the template field. I'll click on this arrow, and here I'll search for the particular template. So my template name is Send Brochure Final. Here you can see on my screen. I'll click this. Now this field of namespace and language code will be automatically be filled up. You need not to do anything about it. Okay, here in the language code it is written EN. EN stand for English. If I'll take you back to my account on 360 dialog, you can see under the language section it is written EN, EN, EN. So EN stands for English. Okay, it is showing that all our templates are in English language. That's why here the code EN is written. Okay, so you need not to do anything about these fields. Come down to your next field, which is recipient mobile number. So we have to map the recipient mobile number. But before that, guys, let me tell you what is mapping of data. If you'll click this field, a scroll down will appear in front of you. Now, if you'll click this scroll down, you can see here the various responses, the same responses which we have captured above in Pabbly Connect, these same responses. Now this option of mapping data is given to you here by Pabbly Connect, because whenever you are required to fill up the value in the particular field, you need not to go up again and again, copy the data, then come down and paste it here. In fact, instead that, you can simply click on this field, come to the scroll down, search for the particular value. It is asking for the mobile number, so I'll map the mobile number. Okay. Now the body fields have started. As I have shown you before in my template, I have 6 body fields there, and in front of every body field the example is given to you so that you can understand what we have to fill there. In body field 1, the example is given Heather Ali. So here we have to map the customer number. How we'll map the number? You'll click on the field, come to the scroll down, search for the value which is Sam John, and you will simply map it. Now in body field 2, example is Pabbly Connect is given to you. So here we have to write the name of our movie theater, which is A to Z movie theater. Okay. Let me correct it. Now in body field 3, it is showing example software. So here we have to write the product or the service we are offering. So we are offering movie theater. Okay. Now in body field 4, in the example, a link is given to you. So here we have to add the link of the brochure which we want to send to our customer. So guys, I have uploaded the PDF file of my brochure in my Google Drive account. Let me take you to my Google Drive account first. Okay, as you can see, this is my account on Google Drive. Now, let me show it to you, the particular PDF file which I have created for this workflow. So this is the PDF file. Let me open it for you. So guys, you can see here the name of my movie theater, A to Z Movie Theater. Now I want to send this particular file to my customers, the PDF file. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll come to the right corner here where it is written more options. I'll click this. Now I'll click on share. Okay, now get down where it is written get link and read the status what it is written. Anyone on the internet with this link can view. Okay, so I'll copy the link. I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account and simply I'll paste it here. Okay, now come to the body field 5. It is asking for the website. So let's enter the website. Let's say our website name is www.a2ztheater, okay, .com. Guys, I'm telling you again, the template which you will create, you can give the variables according to yourself. I have given 6 variables here, but you can always add or subtract the variables when you will create the template. Okay. Now come to the body field 6. Here in the example, again, the Pabbly is written. So again, we'll write the name of our movie theater, which is A to Z Movie Theater. Okay. And guys, we have successfully filled up all the fields here. Now we will click on save and send test request and we will see if the responses are positive or not. Let it load for a second. Yes guys, the responses are completely positive. As you can see on my screen, there is no error it is showing to us. Now let me take you to my WhatsApp web account and let me show it to you if we have received any WhatsApp message on behalf of our customer or not. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, a message has just arrived for Sam John which says, "Hello Sam John. Thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Movie Theater. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our movie theater. Link is given to you. For more details, you can visit to our website. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable." Okay, that's why the link is not clickable because we haven't saved the number. Thank you, regards, A to Z Movie Theater. Okay. Now let me copy the link and open it for you and let's see if the link opens the same PDF file which we intend to send to our customer. Let me paste it in my new tab. Yes guys, you can see this the PDF file which I have shown you in my Google Drive. This is the same PDF file which I want to send to my customers. So you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked. Now let me take you back to my Pabbly Connect account. Guys, let me tell you the workflow which we have created today, this current workflow. I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box, okay? Now you can go to my description box and click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So guys, don't forget to go and check the link, okay? Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.